Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing a gift that was given from my friends NJ and Ada. And let's unbox it now. And I don't want to tear it away. I kinda like it. It's like a Nerf gun, but I have no idea if it is. It is. Oh wow, guys, check this out. Oh, this is a cool built-in storage for. Let's unbox it now, guys. Wow. Whoa, check this out. Are they even? It's like pink. I'm just gonna get on our loaded bullets. That is a bullet loader. What is that? Pluckers? Oh, I will load it. These go in here. Okay, time to shoot it out with a blast. Thank you, NJ and Ada. I like you guys, and extend the thanks to your mom and dad. Thanks. Bob. It's Elmo. I had so much fun with this. So amazing. It even had some suction cup missiles. And then it's the best. I'm going to play with it even more. And before I forget, Ada and NJ, you are both amazing.